Good AM. Today is March 15, 2024, Friday, and here are the 10:30 AM STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL03 10:30 AM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 15, 2024, Friday. Here are the SL03 10:30 AM draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Friday, March 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of March 15, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.